In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Invoice for beginners. We'll walk through getting into Zoho Invoice from scratch, so if you're brand new, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access the tool and start exploring the dashboard on your own. First, open your web browser and go to the main Zoho products page. You can do this by searching for Zoho All Products in your search engine, then clicking the official Zoho link that lists all of their apps. This page is like a catalog of everything Zoho offers, from email to CRM to finance tools. What we want to find here is the invoicing app. Once the All Products page is open, look for the section related to finance or billing, and then find the app labeled Invoice. Take a moment to scroll if you need to, because Zoho has a lot of different tools. When you see Zoho Invoice, click on it. This will take you to the product page specifically for Zoho Invoice, where you can learn more about its features. On the Zoho Invoice product page, you'll see an option that says Access Zoho Invoice. This is the button that actually takes you into the application. Go ahead and click on Access Zoho Invoice. If you already have a Zoho account, you can sign in with your existing login details. If you're new to Zoho, you'll be prompted to create a free account first. Just follow the on-screen instructions to finish that process. After you've signed in or created your account, Zoho will bring you to the Zoho Invoice interface. This is your main workspace. You might land on a Getting Started or home screen, which is designed to guide new users. From here, you can begin exploring the different sections of the app. Take a few minutes to look around the dashboard. You'll typically see menus for creating invoices, managing customers, and viewing reports. Even if you don't create anything yet, clicking through these areas is a great way to become comfortable with the layout. Notice where the main navigation menu is, how to return to the home screen, and where settings are located. These small details will make it much easier when you're ready to set up your business information and send your first invoice. For now, your main goal is simply to access Zoho Invoice and start exploring. Once you're familiar with where everything is, you'll be ready to dive deeper into creating and managing invoices in future sessions.